Good afternoon, all of you. This is Amit Biani from Utsav Invites and Packaging. Now we are making it as invites and packaging. We started it this with Utsav cards initially, but now we are more into packaging now. Invites is definitely our principal business, but now we are putting more efforts in packaging because in the coming days the packaging is what we are pressing more on. So, and our this is our tagline: celebration starts with us. Since we are into wedding cards, paper bag, boxes, and all such things, we customize all these things here in Hyderabad. So this is our best. What we thought is celebration starts with us. This Utsav we started in the year 2006 with a very small shop in Amirpet, and gradually after 6 years we moved to Somajigoda Circle in Amruta Mall. There we have a very big showroom of around 1,000 square feet now, and we have the stock of all the things whatever we like for a small quantity, starting from the small quantity of 10 pieces to any quantity we can make it over here. So please go to next slide, sir. Starting with wedding invitations. See, since this is our primary business, so what wedding cards we make all designer wedding cards. These are all the designer wedding cards what we have. These are all pre-designed cards wherein we have to just do the printing. The printing in the form of, like, we do the printing in the form of screen printing, UV printing, and foiling. We do all such things. Screen printing we have in-house. Other things we get it done outsourced, sir. Please go to next slide, sir. These are all the design cards, sir, designer cards. Please go to the next slide, sir. Next, next, next. These are all boxed cards, sir. Please, yeah. Next, please, next, sir. Next. The second thing is what we do. We also do laser cutting cards. These are all the laser. Which in this modern right now, what people expect is, they want to have a modern and trendy wedding card. So we have developed this laser cutting cards with a very detailing of cutting. Even if there is a small 1 mm or 2 mm cutting also is required, we can do that type of laser cutting also, sir.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
this is, and we do the laser cutting on various medias like on paper or in wood also. This is another one very good which was appreciated by our customer. Based on this printing, we have got order for the same card. We got the order for 5 different customers of the same card. They liked it so much. Please go to the next slide, sir. So these are some of the laser cutting cards what we have done. Please go to the next slide. And this I wanted to tell you about this particular card. This particular card we have made it for one of our NRI clients, and from that client we have got almost all 3 to 4 orders from overseas. That to all from US, sir. Monica and Dinesh, if you can see that in this, we have used the foiling as well as the screen printing there in this card. Please go to the next slide. Customized cards, sir. We also do customized cards. The way you want the cards to be made, we can make the cards. आपको जैसे चाहिए कार्ड में कुछ भी चाहिए, we can do anything or everything in the card. See, our USP is in the term of quality and customization. Even for a small quantity of around 100 to 150 cards also is customized. आपको चाहिए, we are doing it. Recently we are doing the customized cards in handmade paper, that is seed paper cards, which are being appreciated by so many people. Seed paper cards में ऐसा है कि अगर वो afterwards, suppose after the wedding is over, you can put that seed paper card in a pot, and the plant will come out of it. And right now the tulsi based plant, basil seed paper card is being preferred by most of the customers, sir. Please go to the next slide. I will show you one of the customized card what we have done. See, this is the card what we have done for one of our corporate clients, Haji Baba. We have used the laser cutting. See here, this logo what we have done is we've used the laser cutting logo and wood on MDF, and then we have used the foiling there on the envelope. This is foil printing.
Spot lamination.
Please, yes, sir. Yeah. Please go to the next slide, sir. And here again, see, again we have used the inside. We have used the digital printing here. because since whatever the customer is, what they ask for the digital printing as well as this, we have done it on the, there is the founder, so we have put that thing on a butter paper thing there on it. This print has been taken on a butter paper. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Please go to the next slide, sir. And this is complete foiling, sir. And this has been completely made by us. If you see the top card of this, we have used the raw silk here, sir. This is not a paper here. We have used the raw silk. On the raw silk, we have made the card, sir. This whole card has been made on the raw silk.
Yeah.
Please next slide, sir. And this again, this is the handmade paper card, sir. This we have used. This is kalamkari painting is what our customer demanded, so we have made this in kalamkari theme.
Okay.
Yeah. Next slide, sir. Next slide, Pawan. This is again one more, and this is one of the this particular thing. This is a patented design. No one can use it though. So we have purchased this design and then we have taken the print of this thing from the artist.
Okay. This is a print and spot lamination. Or
no, sir. This is only digital print, sir. This is completely digital print only, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The next slide.
But can you do the spot lamination also if required?
Yeah. This definitely we can. This is one of the testimonial what we have received from one of our customers, sir.
Great.
So next thing is packaging, sir. Now coming to packaging, first thing is what we do is we make paper bags. The paper bags, any kind of paper bags, whether it is in handmade paper or craft paper or any other fancy paper. So we stock this handmade paper and fancy papers is what we stock at our place also for whatever quantities. Suppose say for example, if you want 1,000 paper bags in the same design, we can do that. Craft paper is what it is available in the local market also. So we purchase that and we make it in any size you tell us, and then we do it. We customize it in the size of in the terms of size and prints also. Whatever size you tell us to make, we'll make that, and prints also. Screen printing is we have in-house screen printing, so that we do it, sir. This is some of the paper bags what we have done, sir. And the bags what we are doing, these are all these bags, sir. These bags what we have made and done the screen printing also, sir. And it has got a very good weight bearing capacity. Handmade paper is very strong, so it will take a good weight also, sir. There should not be any issue with that.
Do you fix the rivets to that thread holders?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rivet punching.
Rivet punching, yes, sir. This all is rivet punching. Yes,
yeah, because that is what which takes the weight. Yeah, this has it. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Please go to the next.
Very nice.
These are all the paper. So this we have done the laser cutting. See, we have done the laser cutting on the paper and then used it in a paper bag also. This was the customer from Vijayawada what we have done, sir.
Yeah.
Please go to the next slide. And this is cloth plus paper bags. This looks very trendy, sir. Second, this is rigid gift boxes, sir. This is what we are stressing more, sir. Rigid gift boxes is what we are doing. Even in this lockdown also, sir, we have done some of the baskets. We have done baskets for some of the customer who wanted to give away their own homemade things. So we manufacture rigid hardbed boxes in different material like paper, satin, suede, raw silk, whatever you tell us, whatever quantity is also there. Even if it is a small quantity also we can make. Since we make those boxes, we don't buy it and then give it to you. It's not like that. We make those boxes here in Hyderabad and then give it to you. Right now we have done some chocolate boxes, sarees, silver articles.
No, it's a vast business. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Printing, gifting, gift cards is a vast business. The more you think about it, the more options you will find.
So in some way we are also that in this lockdown also we are getting businesses, sir.
Oh, definitely you will. Yeah. That's a good news. At least someone has the business.
Yes, sir. Yeah. And then we decorate these boxes also with the motifs also. Whatever motif, suppose if you want to have a laser cutting motif of the couples, we use that also. And then we do it on a various media decoration. Sari boxes is what we make, chocolate. And then we have the partition also. Suppose say for example inside if you want any kind of partition there in it, whatever size of partition for keeping chocolate, or even if it is a big the partition is required, we do that also, sir. These are some of the boxes what we have made. This we have made it on
So,
on
so you have covered the entire range, right? From printing process to distribution to gifting. I think you have the
Yes.
entire
Yes, sir.
segment under your operations.
Exactly, sir. And this is,
Very
we have
nice.
done it
It
on the,
looks
we
very
have taken
nice.
the digital print on the paper and then we have made the boxes, sir. This is a
Yeah.
mix of digital print and satin.
Okay.
And we have done the matching envelope also for that.
Okay. Okay.
Please go to the next slide. This we have made the sari boxes. And in the sari boxes, we have made it on the raw satin. This is not, there is no shining there on it. So we have done the printing as well as the foiling there on it, sir, to make it, to give it a grand look. And then we decorate it with like this also, with the flower also.
Very nice.
Go to the next slide. These are all the wooden boxes, sir. This we don't make, sir. This we get it as it is and then sell it, because this is a wood boxes, so we don't manufacture these boxes.
Yeah.
These are all ready.
That's a different segment of manufacturing. Yes.
So this is all ready-made boxes, sir.
Yeah.
But we have the stock of these boxes also.
Can you go back to that slide?
Yeah.
Audio slide. We can give you the upper portion of this, or we can even fabricate this boxes. I mean, as a production guys, we are concerned, we can make something like this.
Okay.
This comes under our kind of work.
Okay. Great.
Okay, Pawanji.
Then we have this Tuzo packing also. We make all type of trays, baskets, room hampers. These all things. Yeah, I will show you the images better. In the images, you will get to know more. I have all the images. Next. So this is the trays what we have for packing of Tuzo. For that matter, anything not necessary Tuzo. And this basket is what we have made. Basket and the box, matching things. Next.
Very nice.
Next slide, sir. This is one of the birthday baskets what we made. These are the Potli bags, sir. Potli bags is very much in demand. Yes, sir. Wedding favors, whatever they want to give. Small gifts is what is required. They can give that in this Potli bag, sir. They are all very, very designer. This we don't make. We source it from all over India, sir. These are all the money envelopes. This is on cloth, and then we have it on paper also, money envelopes. Next slide. So this is what our business is all about, sir. And you can have more details on our Facebook and Instagram page also, sir. So this is what we do, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so from here we can go for question answer session. अगर किसी का कुछ जो भी डिटेल में पूछना है, so कहाँ सुधाकर सर आप हैं? चले गए?
हाँ मैं हूँ मैं एयरपोर्ट पे हूँ मैं तो बाजू आया.
अच्छा आपको कुछ पूछना था. इसके पहले भी कुछ बीके फोटोग्राफी से भी कुछ शायद आपका कुछ क्वेरी वगैरह था. सो प्लीज गो अहेड. नीरू मैम, मनोज भैया एंड विपाशा जी, प्रिंट कार्ड्स प्लीज आप लोग जो भी डाउट है वो आगे
नहीं, वो मैडम को कुछ पूछना था मुझसे. वो मैडम को बीके फोटोग्राफी वो मैडम को कुछ पूछना था.
हाँ भास्कर जी आप सुन पा रहे हैं? शायद चले गए हैं वो.
मैं कनेक्टेड हूँ. मैं जस्ट वन विंडो.
नो भास्कर जी मतलब आप तो हैं अभी. भास्कर जी शायद चले गए तो वो सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं. जिनको भी कुछ पूछना है वो अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके पूछ सकते हैं.
हाँ जी अमित जी, ये अपना कार्ड्स जो है जो बेसिकली 50 का 100 का सेट्स कर सकते हैं.
जी हाँ.
तो वेडिंग कार्ड्स
अभी तो सर अभी तो वेडिंग कार्ड्स अगर आप जो भी क्वांटिटी हो, इवन इफ द क्वांटिटी इज अराउंड 25 आल्सो, देन आल्सो वी कैन डू इट. वी विल डू इट इन द कमिंग डेज.
ये जो लेजर कटिंग है आप खुद करते हैं या बाहर से करवाते सर?
सर लेजर कटिंग हम खुद नहीं करते सर. लेजर कटिंग हम आउटसोर्स कराते हैं.
अभी बहुत मशीन्स हो गए छोटे कोटे में.
जी हाँ.
ये दिवाली गिफ्ट्स के लिए आपके पास ये जो पैकेजिंग में इसमें से ऑप्शंस है ना?
हाँ सर, दिवाली के लिए तो हमारे पास बहुत ऑप्शंस है सर. दिवाली के लिए आप जो बोलेंगे, जैसे बोलेंगे हम वो रेंज में बना सकते हैं, और जो क्वांटिटी बोलेंगे वो क्वांटिटी में बन सकता है सर.
जैसे जो इनपुट्स हम दे देंगे, जैसे ड्राई फ्रूट्स वगैरह जो भी है हम दे देंगे और आप उसको पैक करके दे देंगे.
Exactly. Yes, sir. You can do it that way.
ओके, डेफिनेटली ये आपका रहेगा, समझो।
और कुछ है सर, अगर किसी का कुछ? यस यस पवन जी, मेरे को एक चीज यहाँ पे आपने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि, और ये हम पक्का कर सकते हैं, ये एक मेरा एक आइडिया है सर, खाली आई वांट टू हैव योर ओपिनियन, एवरीबॉडीज ओपिनियन हियर, कि दिस पोस्ट लॉकडाउन जब तक मैरिजेस बहुत स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में हो, मतलब स्मॉल नंबर्स में हो रहे हैं, कि अगर यू कैन कॉल ओनली 50 to 100 गेस्ट, और बाकी गेस्ट सपोज आज हम तो पहले शादी में गए हैं तो हमने अराउंड 500,000 गेस्ट की शादी में गए, और आज जब हम खाली 50 to 100 हम बुला रहे हैं, तो हम जब बाकी लोगों को हम जो अगर नहीं बुला रहे हैं, तो उनको अगर हमको कुछ गिफ्ट भेजना है या उनको कुछ उनके लिए या स्वीट भेजना है, तो हमारा एक आइडिया खाली था कि हम उसको एंड टू एंड, सपोज से फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे कस्टमर हमारे कुछ भी दे, कुछ भी बोले कि हमको अपना एक उसमें एक मतलब ड्राई फ्रूट होना चाहिए, एक छोटा गिफ्ट होना चाहिए, वो चीज को हम अपने पैकेजिंग करेंगे, पहले उनके हिसाब से उनको हम एक पैकेजिंग करके बताएंगे कि हम ये ऐसा ऐसा चीज पैकेजिंग करके, और हम एक कोरियर वाले से टाई अप करके हम उनके हर गेस्ट को वो डिलीवर कर सकते हैं, तो उनके गेस्ट को भी ऐसा लगेगा कि नहीं उन्होंने हमारे को याद किया है आज के टाइम में भी, तो
करेक्ट, उनको लगेगा कि हाँ हम भी शादी अटेंड किए जैसा लगेगा।
जी हाँ, मतलब कि एग्जैक्टली वैसा तो नहीं हो सकता, बट उनको ये लगेगा कि नहीं दे हैव रिमेम्बर्ड अस इन देयर हैप्पियर टाइम।
ये बहुत ही अच्छा सजेशन है सर, हम इसके ऊपर वर्क कर सकते हैं।
बहुत बढ़िया सजेशन है ये।